Natural selection, the evolutionary process that guides which traits become more common in a population, has been acting on us for the past 3,000 years, right up to the modern day, new research suggests. And it seems to be acting in surprising ways on complex traits encoded by multiple genes, such as those tied to intelligence, mental illness, and even cancer. There's no question that natural selection shaped the evolution of humans in our more distant past. But the impact of natural selection in the recent past is a much more controversial question. The new research suggests that natural selection is indeed an important factor in modern times, though the methods used in the study have led to missteps before, said John Novembre, a computational biologist at the University of Chicago who was not involved in the new research. This means the findings should not be taken as the final word in modern-day natural selection. The new study focuses on traits that emerge from a combination of multiple gene variants, such as intelligence and skin pigmentation. In essence, genes that become more common over time are under positive selection. They're beneficial in some way and are thus likely to be passed down. Genes that become less common with time are under negative selection. They're somehow harmful to survival or reproduction, and thus are less likely to be passed down. In their study, published Nov 15 in the journal Nature Human Behavior, the researchers found a total of 755 traits showing signs of selection in the last 2,000 to 3,000 years. For the modern samples, the researchers used data from people of European ancestry in the UK Biobank, a repository of genetic and health data from 500,000 participants. To look deeper into history, the researchers also used 3 datasets of ancient human DNA from the pre-Neolithic, Neolithic, and after the advent of agriculture in the Near East, comprising a total of 512 individuals. The researchers looked in 3 timeframes: the modern era, the past 2,000 to 3,000 years, and up to about 100,000 years ago. Somewhat surprisingly, genes associated with some seemingly undesirable traits increased in prevalence over time, including genes associated with conditions like skin cancer, inflammatory bowel disease, and anorexia nervosa. This suggests that some of these disorders arise as side effects of genes that are beneficial for other reasons, the researchers suggested. Researchers had to completely rethink the results and are still uncertain about whether natural selection has anything to do with height differences across Europe, according to a 2019 paper in the journal eLife.